In this lesson, we are learning about type coercion. Type coercion is the automatic conversion of one data type into another by the programming language. Let's look at the first example. We have the integer value 5 and the float value 2.5. When we add them together, the programming language automatically converts the integer 5 into a float. So the calculation becomes 5.0 plus 2.5, which gives the answer 7.5. Here is the Python code example. Variable A stores the integer value 5. Variable B stores the float value 2.5. When the program calculates A plus B, Python automatically converts A into a float. The final output is 7.5. Now let's move to the second example. Why does type coercion happen? Type coercion happens when different data types are used together in an operation or expression. In this example, the string value 10 is added to the integer value 5. Before the addition happens, the programming language converts the string 10 into the integer 10. Then the calculation becomes 10 plus 5, which gives the result 15. In the Python code, variable x contains the string 10, and variable y contains the integer 5. When the program adds them together, coercion happens automatically. The output becomes 15. So remember this important point. Type coercion allows different data types to work together automatically in programming operations. This helps programs run smoothly and perform calculations correctly. Type casting is the manual conversion of one data type into another by the programmer. For example, the string 123 can be converted into the integer 123. In Python, we use int 123 to convert the value. Typecasting is useful when programmers need data in a specific format. Type coercion happens automatically by the programming language. Type casting happens manually by the programmer. For example, adding an integer and a float may automatically convert the integer into a float. But converting a string into an integer requires manual casting. So remember, coercion is automatic, while casting is manual. Implicit conversion is another name for automatic type coercion. This means the programming language automatically changes one data type into another when needed. For example, when the integer 5 is added to the float 2.5, the integer is automatically converted into a float. The programmer does not need to write extra conversion code. Implicit conversion helps different data types work together smoothly. Explicit conversion is another name for manual typecasting. In explicit conversion, the programmer manually changes one data type into another. For example, the string 123 can be converted into the integer 123 using a casting function. In Python, we use int x to perform the conversion. Unlike implicit conversion, explicit conversion requires instructions written by the programmer. This helps ensure the data is in the correct format for calculations and operations.